Once again, friends, it's been a while. I've been a little busy, but we are back to the work. So now today we are going to draw this basic 2D drawing in AutoCAD. Okay, so before we start, let's try and analyze the dimensions given so that the drawing becomes very easy. Now if you look at the top here, we have two circles. One diameter is 20 millimeters, then that is the inner one, then this outer one is 16. Alright, so we will start from here, and then we have a vertical distance of 65 millimeters. So let's draw this one. So let's open our AutoCAD, select circle, center radius. Now our first center radius, if you check, is 16. Alright, so enter 16. Now zoom out, go and pick center diameter again, a diameter of 20, enter 20. Good. Now from here we will draw a line, a vertical line. For beginners, I'll just use a line just to show them how to get the distance. So you just draw a line vertically down of length 65. Make sure it's vertical, so 65. Alright, now from here we will draw another circle. If you look at this one, it's having a radius of 20 millimeters, and the 20 millimeters is the outside one, so we will draw a circle radius 20. So pick circle, center radius 20. Alright, now there's a distance from the center here to this side, that is a 26.5 and 23.5. Adding them will give you 50 millimeters. So we will draw another line vertically down 50. Good. Now we have another circle here. These circles are equal, so one is having, that is the inner one, is having a diameter of 14. That is each of them, so 14, and then the outer one is having a radius of 10. So let's do that. So center radius, if you check, the radius is 10, so 10, and then we have center diameter, which is 14. Okay, so from here the distance from this place to this center is 47. So for beginners, I'll just use a line from here, go 47, and then the vertical height is 23.5. okay, so move up 23.5, and from here you can copy this one, use the shortcut CO, press enter, select the center of it, and then click here. Alright, so now from here you can just mirror this one. Let's select and then use the mirror command, select the center of it and mirror. Do you want to erase this one? You just have to click no. Now we don't need this line, so we delete them. Okay, so from here we have a circle here. Alright, so the dimension was not given here, but I think I have it here. So it's 33 radius, so the diameter will be 66. So let's pick center diameter and then enter 66. Good. Now there is a radius, there's an arc here of radius 20. So just pick, go to circle, select tan radius, click this outer circle, click this one, and then enter 20. Have it there. Now let's trim the unwanted part. Let's select it and trim. Alright, now there's another one here. It's having a radius of 10. So the same thing, go to tan radius, click here, enter 10, trim. Good. Now there is another one here, that is radius 20. So tan radius, click the both circles, enter 20. Now let's trim by using the shortcut TR. So remaining last one, which is here, and the radius is 64. So select tan radius, click here, enter 64, and then we trim. Good. Now see, we have done one side, so it's easier to mirror. So I'll just select this lines and the axe. Now we mirror it, so just enter MI for shortcuts, mirror, click the center, make sure it's vertical, and then you mirror it. Now erase source object, just click no. Good. Now we need to trim all the unwanted arcs and lines that we don't need, so let's trim them all. These ones, this, we don't need this one as well, and then we also don't need this one as well. Okay, so from here what we can do is we just have to continue with the design. Inside there's a design. If you check this, like a gear design, so the radius of this gear design is 6, all right, and it's here. So how do you do that? Just pick your circle, that is center radius, locate the center, and then click here, and then enter 6. Okay, good. Now from here we need to trim, so let's trim this side. Now we need this ones 6 numbers of this. So to do that, just select this one, just go to array, select polar array. Now it will ask for the center, so this is my center, and we need 6, so it's there. Close it. Let's trim. Let's do some trimming here. Alright, so we can even delete this line, we don't need it again. So if you watch, basically this is what we are supposed to do. Now I would like to increase my line width. So to do that, just click on your right click on your line width, then go to line width settings. I have set mine to 0.35. You can increase it or decrease it depending on how you want it. So I want 0.35, that is okay for me. So just click OK, and then click on this, and then it will activate it. Now if you are not seeing your line width here, just come to customization here, and then just check it. Alright, if you check, it will appear here, and that is it. Alright, so now let's try and give dimensions to our work. By doing that, I will create a layer. I'll create a new layer for my dimension, just give it a name, dim, and then I'll change the color, just choose this, and then I'll change my line width to 0.25 because default is picking the thickness of this one, which is too big. So I'll just take this one, and then I'll close it. Now make sure you select this layer so that it will become active. Alright, so just go to linear, just go to annotation, pick linear, and let's start dimensioning from here to here. See, we have 65, and then pick linear again from this point to this point. See, it looks very small. I'll correct that. Linear again from here to this point. Good. Now you see our dimensions look very small, so just let's do something about it. Just press D, that is for dim style. On your keyboard, press enter, go to modify, and let's change the size, the arrow size, let's make it 4. Text, let's make it 4, and then yeah, I think that's all. The arrow is 4, it's okay. Text, also for, I think it's not bad. Let's see how it looks now. Alright, so you see it's a little bit clear now. So from here, let's continue our dimension. Click linear again, here to here, 47. Again linear, 47. And from here we can choose the radius to dimension the radius and the diameter. So just click on this, select radius, give radius to this, and then this one. Alright, this and this are the same, so I'll just pick one. Then this as well, and then this one, which is 10. Okay, so let me do it here, and then I'll select this one, which is 20, and then just come here, 20. Okay, yeah, and then let's pick diameter for this inside circle. Yeah, and then this one as well, diameter. Good. So if you watch, basically everything is well dimensioned according to the drawing. Yeah, we've almost done everything. Now I'll just urge you to keep practicing. Then if you have any question, you leave it in the comment section. I'll make sure I attend to it. If today is your first time of watching the videos, please subscribe to the channel, click on the like button, and if you have any question, also leave it in the comment section and I'll attend to it. Thank you all for watching.